So today's tour is super fun because it's my own property. This is the 12 South Carriage House. It is a short-term rental that is available on AirBnB. And it's got its own private entrance. You can see here it's got a free included in your stay parking spot. And this right here is an EV charger. So if you've got an electric vehicle, we've got you covered. You just come right on in. I've already unlocked the door, but it's just an easy keypad lock and head on in. The whole unit is on the second floor, so you do head up this one flight of stairs, but they're pretty easy. And then at the bottom here, we've got some tote bags for shopping. We've got a place to hang your coat, umbrellas, etc. So come on up the stairs. If you're traveling with little ones, we've got a permanently installed baby gate that pulls across that's easy to use. And you walk right into this awesome space. Now I'm totally biased. Again, this is my own property that I short-term rent, but I really do love so many things about it. So I'll try to just show you the highlights. So this is the living space. The couch here does fold out into a queen sleeper sofa. It's the West Elm Henry. We love it so much. And this coffee table also pops up into a work desk. So if you need some work to get done, you can lift the top there and work. We've got big screen TV. You can log in with Netflix, any of your own streaming apps. And we do provide Disney Plus, YouTube TV, which is basically cable. So you can check those out, and Max as well is included. Got a little snack basket. Then we've got a full kitchen here, so you really can like even cook Thanksgiving dinner in here if you wanted to. We've got full-size fridge, a full-size dishwasher, gas range and stove, microwave, toaster oven, like you name it, we've got it. We've got these gorgeous dishes up here in the cabinet and some kids dishes and outlet covers up there if you're traveling, again, with little ones. We've got full service Keurig coffee over here. And again, fully stocked cabinets. If Keurig's not your thing, totally understand, and we've got you covered. So down here, we've got a bean grinder, French press, and regular coffee maker. So you can check all that out. I won't show you the inside of every cabinet, but we've got pots, pans, cookie sheets, everything you could possibly imagine down there as well for you to use. And then if you need to do laundry during your stay, or if you need the sofa bed linens or extra towels, we do have this laundry closet, full-size washer dryer. There's some extra linens up there, sofa bed linens, iron, all that stuff. So you can come in and grab whatever you need there. We do have this awesome divider wall. There isn't a door, so just know that when you book your stay, that this cased opening does remain open. There's not a way to close that off. So if you got somebody sleeping in the living room, make sure you like them enough to sleep on the other side of the wall from them. We've got this gorgeous queen bed and nightstands. There's a fan if you need that. The QB time alarm clock, which is my favorite. I think I've pointed it out in other tours in hotel rooms. And then we've got some charge cable situations over here and a sound machine to make sure you get a good night's sleep no matter how you sleep, with a fan, without a fan, with a sound machine, whatever. We do have this closet here, which is awesome. You can hang your stuff up. We've got hangers. There's a yoga mat up there with some information about local places to work out. Got a great community center workout and a yoga studio and a Pilates studio nearby. Do have a full bathroom with this tub shower combo. So there's a nice shower head up there. You can take a bath or shower, whatever you want. We do supply shampoo, conditioner, etc., and some bubble bath. So don't sleep on that. Take a nice bubble bath while you're here. And towels, toilet. If you forgot anything, probably we have it. We've got lots of toiletries in here and washcloths, feminine products, extra toilet paper. There's a hairdryer down there and then bottom drawer. So if you need it, check, because we probably have it. So this is your awesome bathroom. And let me show you a cool feature in the bedroom here. These are room darkening, so you can pull this all the way up to the top to darken the room, or you can pull it all the way down during the day to make things bright. It does go all the way down to the bottom, so you can kind of set that however you want. So that is the space. That is the 12 South Carriage House, and we are in Nashville, Tennessee. We are right off of 12th Avenue South, which is like a foodie shopping district area of Nashville. And we would just love to host your next stay to Nashville. And I'll give you one kind of last glance here, and all the information is in the YouTube caption, like booking link and all that. So reach out if you have any questions, and we'd love to host you at the 12 South Carriage House.